Hi guys, my name is Amanda and I'm here today with this really short video just to share my experience with tea burn so far. So as you can see in this video, this is how tea burn looks like. So if you want to know about my experience with tea burn, stay to the end of this video, as I'm going to be very brief. So the first thing is that I have an important warning regarding tea burn. So don't skip this video at any cost. So tea burn is a 100% natural supplement, and the focus is to burn your body's extra fat. Its main function is to accelerate the metabolism of your body to make you lose excess fat in your body. Another great thing is that it makes your body healthier by boosting your immune system to basically have a healthier life. I have always tried to follow a routine workout, and although I'm not obese, I have always had problems with losing localized fat, mostly on my stomach and love handles part. I was very uncomfortable while getting dressed, especially in beachwear. Although I exercised often and found that many parts of my body did not lose weight, especially in my stomach. I have never been a fan of medicine, and for that reason I started doing some research for natural remedies that could help me lose localized fat and eliminate weight without causing any harm. To my health, I admit that I even tried many weight loss pills and even tried a strict keto diet, but none of them worked for me and had terrible side effects on my body. After many researches of natural remedies to lose weight, I started to see ads for tea burn. I saw on their website that it acted by accelerating fat burning process through natural ingredients, so I decided to get it. I bought tea burn through the official website with a special 80% discount deal, which I have left in the description and pinned comment of this video for you guys. It took me about 6 days to get to my house, and the day it arrived, I already started using it in the first week of use. I started noticing that I slept better and that my cravings for sweets just kinda disappeared. I have noticed that my cravings for sweets had reduced. Also, I noticed that my body was warming up when I was doing my daily exercise routine. The results of this were I lost 10 pounds in my first week. I was so happy, I couldn't believe this was really happening. So I just mixed tea burn into my hot morning tea, and that's how I'm taking it now. I will recommend that you do have to take it every day in order to get results for your body. As you know, there is no magical supplement. But if you take tea burn consistently, I am sure you're gonna get unreal results. I'm really enjoying tea burn on my daily routine. And I can also tell you that my face started to reduce. And I can even notice that my face is way thinner than before. And I can see that my double chin started to slowly fade away. So if you want to try tea burn for yourself, you have 60 days money back guarantee. Yeah, you heard correct, 60 days. That's why I decided to try it risk-free. Yeah, that means if you don't like it for any reason or if you don't see results, you can have your money back within 60 days. Isn't that a crazy deal, guys? So many people ask me, Amanda, why did you decide to use tea burn in the first place? Because I really liked it. And I also had an inner feeling that it could work for me as it did for so many other people. So why not me? Also, I was comfortable to know that if I didn't see results, I could get my money back. So this was a complete no-brainer for me. So if you have the same situation, you can try tea burn and you can see how it reacts, how it works for your body. Now, do you remember that I told you in the beginning of this video that I have an important warning for you about tea burn? So here it is. Unfortunately, with the success of this product, so many sites are trying to sell a counterfeit product. And for this reason, I will leave the official website of tea burn in the description and a pinned comment of this video. Avoid being deceived and getting scammed. And if you want to try this product, only buy it from the official website. Also, this is the website I bought my product from. Okay, I really hope that I helped you in my testimonial video. And if you ask me if you should go for it, I'll say yeah. It's a complete no-brainer. If you take it consistently, it will give you the visible results from week 1 onwards. And even for some reason, if you're not getting your desired results, you can just get your money back. Isn't that awesome? I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care.